I guess. Up and down. Oh.
Feel this way forever. I'm Byron Jackson. For real. Never meant to make your daughter cry.
Yo guys, what is up? It's doing today with a new video. Today we're gonna be cooking omelette. And Oscar, you're probably like, stop copying me. And basically, I'm gonna be doing. My friend recently did one called Oscabest1. Link will be in the description. He did one, so I'm gonna follow his exact instructions. That's right. I'm gonna do exactly what he did. Scared me. I'm gonna do exactly what he did. So, because I don't know how to cook omelette, I have no idea how the hell. Oh my god, what was that? To cook it. So, without further ado, let me just look. Yep. Alright, lovely. Start the video. Wait, no, don't. Start it.
Hi guys, today we are in the kitchen. We are going to cook.
Yep, we are.
Yep,
with one egg. Let's see how it's done.
Yeah, so let's go.
Yep, we need
I'll tell you what you need first.
a mini pan. Pause the video. A mini pan. I don't have a mini pan, but I have a pan. Well, it's a pan. Right. No, that's not even a pan, is it? Oh my god. No, my pan. Ah! I think the pan I can find is down here. Yeah. The smallest pan I can find. So I guess we put that pan there. Alright, start the video. And one egg. Alright, pause the video. Alright, we got an egg here. So let's get an egg. Oh, I thought I was just catching an egg. Alright, here's one egg. So, did we cook it like that? Okay, I put it there. Alright, we got an egg. I got an egg. Start the video.
2 forks.
Oh, 2 forks. Pause the video. 2 forks. 2 forks. You got that? Start the video. One bowl. Okay, bowl.
No, use that plastic bowl.
Okay. Right. This perfect bowl that I need, and I can't find it. I found it. I think I have. Yep, I have not. Okay. Chill. Ah, no, I just need it. Oh, that was the bowl I was looking for. Alright. Yes, so lucky. Right, how long? Right, start the video. Oh no, don't. Start the video.
And some butter. If
Wait,
you want
no.
to, you don't have to. You don't have
Right,
to
start the
butter.
video.
So,
Oh, did he say butter? Oh, okay, butter, pause the video. Okay, butter. Is this alright? Is this gonna be alright? Oh, I'm uploading the video, guys, right now. Anyway, is that what we... No, that's hardly... Is that gonna be enough? Yeah, we'll say so. Don't turn off phone, please. Thank you. Alright, start the video.
yeah. I'm going to...
So, yeah.
Put the pan on.
Do you want me to...
Put the pan on.
Okay, I've done that already. Oh, I need the bowl. And the bowl. Okay, so you crack the egg into the bowl. Oh, I've tried this so many times, guys. It never works for me, trust me. Wait, where should I put you guys? I'll put you guys on top of the butter. I should have got my tripod. Oh, how did you do that? I'm scared. How the...
Knock it on there.
This?
Look.
I want to open it.
Yeah, look.
Okay! How did she do that? I'm scared. How did Oscar do that? I guess he's done it before. I haven't. I forgot to wash my hands. Oh my god. Yeah, I did. When I brushed my teeth, I did, yeah.
That was
No, that was just a minute ago. Alright, okay, I'm gonna wash my hands off. Oh, that was disgusting.
Alright. We don't say that to an egg.
Yeah, but the egg has assaulted me. Okay, guys. Ugh. Oh, disgust. Alright, ew. Right. Oh, okay. I'm just not. Okay. Alright. Start the video.
Get your fork. So there's the egg, and then just stir it up and down. Like this.
Get your fork.
There's the egg, and then just stir it up and down.
Alright. Mix it. Pause the video. Okay. I gotta mix it now. Gotta be mixing it now. So I'll just mix it for you guys. Up and down. Oh, this is going so wrong. Oh no. Okay, let's just try again. Can I do this for as long as I want? I'll just go for it. Alright, I think that's alright. Is this as much as it's supposed to be? There's hardly any in it. I hope this is nice. Alright, I think I'm done. I'm done. Up and down. I just do it like that. Alright, I'm done. I just leave the fork there. And anyway, Oscabest1, please carry on the video. Not now. Now.
There's the pan.
Oh, gee. You supposed to put the butter in the pan? Oh, yeah, I'm guessing so. Okay. I really wasn't listening. Okay, Alright, don't mind me as I get the butter out. Okay, I just put you guys there. Alright, let's get the butter out. Alright, I don't know how much you're supposed to put on. Seriously. Next time I'm going to do my own tutorial with actual instructions. But I guess I don't know if this is too much or too less, but let's hope this is too less. I don't know. Oh, please don't kill me though. Wait, really? Okay, so I'm scared. You didn't even tell me the temperature to put it on. I just do that, right? Oh, seriously, what am I doing? Do I just put it on then? Okay. Oh no. What? How much? I'm just gonna ask my mum for this. What temperature do you put it on? Do you know at all? Okay, guys, I'm back. Still got butter on my camera. Oh, can you guys see me? Has it blurred up already? Is it butter that's blurred up? I don't know. I just think I just made it go. So, I put the. Oh no, there's butter everywhere. I put it on. My mum put it on too. So I think that's good. So. Carry on the video, ladies and gentlemen. Now. Alright. See it, but okay.
You can't see it.
I'm scared.
I'm trying to get you a better camera angle.
Is that it? So you just cut all the cooking out. Oh, Hamza did one. I might look at his video. Okay. Oh, the sound. Okay. Tell you what. Independence Day today. I turned independent. Oh no, I'm scared. Look at this. I'm scared. What am I supposed to do now? Actually, your video was well done. At least you told me what to get. Because literally, I was not knowing a thing about this. I'm so glad I'm learning. I hope this video isn't that long. On my camera, it's been like nearly 12 minutes. But I don't think it'll be that long for you guys. Anyway, do I put this in now? I'm too scared. You can call me quite a scared baby. If that's the word. Alright, I think. Oh, you should have told me. I did it! Isn't that supposed to be like a kind of sound. Have I just done it wrong? Ew. My dad always used to do this and never let me have a go. Now I'm taking over. Is that supposed to mix with the butter? I hope so. So we're just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna shout out 2 people every single day. I'm gonna shout out 2 people every single video. So first shout out goes to, you know what, since he helped me with the egg, first shout out goes to Oscabest1. Link will be down in the description. And next shout out for now, sorry Dad, you know what, it goes to Deadpool Kid. Yep, he always wanted one, so I thought I'd give him one. So, shout out's done right now. You know what, while we're waiting, I'm gonna get my tripod. There's my tripod. I'll put you guys on it. Anyway guys, now you guys don't want the tripod. So what am I supposed to do now? Am I just supposed to leave it to cook? I don't know if this is an omelette. Is it too big or something? I don't know. Why is it not covered in the middle? Is that supposed to happen? I don't think so. Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Okay, I've messed this up. Okay, just cook. Cook. I'm out. Bye. 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 I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Tell you what, while we're waiting guys, I'm off. I might get changed. I'll see you guys when I get changed. So good, really got changed. Anyway, let's put this back into. I think I've cooked it. No, I haven't. Definitely not. Do I flip it around? Oh yeah, you do, don't you? I think so. The way I do it. Ew, nope, it's not cooked yet. Why is it? I feel. This is a disaster. This is a disaster. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. This has been a disaster. And I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I was only joking. But while I ended the video, I actually got it good. You can hear it frying. Ew, that looks disgusting. Wait, I can zoom in for you guys. Look how disgusting that looks. Okay, I better not zoom in anymore. Alright, it's actually frying now. Lovely. So I think I'm gonna turn it around. Looks like it's starting to. Oh no, 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 no. Turn it around. Oh, what happened there? Okay, and turn this one around. Oh gee, sorry I can't record and cook. It's really hard, trust me. Oh yeah, so I was gonna put it on my tripod, wasn't I? Yeah. Okay. I'll pick that up. I'll pick that up. Cook that. There you go. That's well. Hi guys. Hi guys. Alright guys. Jesus. I burn it. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening here. Okay, I think I just did that. I just did it. Yo, I'm a bounce. Alright, I think it's cooked already. I don't know. I'm stressing. No, not done yet. Oh my god. Oh no. Do I just leave it? I'm just gonna put all the junk in this. Nice, this is all the junk. It smells nice. I'm just gonna. Alright, this is gonna be so long. Yeah, I'm gonna do another video of this. I'm gonna do a part 2. See if I get any better. No, I'm gonna do one every week. And then see if I get better throughout the week. So yeah, I just put some more videos on my chest, for God's sake. Anyway. Yep, that looks cooked. Alright, guys, I'll be back. What did I just say, guys? Alright, let's enjoy this. Oh no, okay, no, stop it. Oh, why does it feel crunchy? It tastes horrible. I'm very bad at cooking eggs. Yeah, this is what it looks like when it's finished. And it's just I'm bad at it. Let's put this in the sink.
No, I'll come to find it.
Right, looks like my mum's gonna find it. Oh wow. Oh, I just dropped the S. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later.
Models popping bottles.